Hello, Puspaji. Good morning. And how are you doing?
I'm doing great, ma'am. And what
Hmm.
about you? And I'm happy, elated having seen you. And I like your speaking way. And when I saw your video first time, I have decided to talk you, ma'am.
Oh, it means a lot, and I really liked your way to talk to me. And I really admired your confidence. You have taken this step to talk to me. But first of all, I just want to ask you, is this your first calling with me?
No, ma'am. I have taken 20 session with YouTuber.
Wow, that a very huge number. Not bad. 20 sessions you have already taken, and maybe you have a great confidence you have achieved. Am I right?
Yeah, ma'am. You can say.
Yeah. Yeah. If you have taken this demand for your spoken English practice, then of course your spoken English is going really great. Right? Am I
Yeah,
right?
ma'am. Yeah,
Okay,
ma'am. Yeah.
so what about
Definitely.
like as you mentioned, this is your 21st session with me. So what about your first session experience? Was it hesitate? Was it stumbled? What was that feeling?
When my first session was not good, that session was with Babita Prajapati,
Okay. Okay,
and
I don't know about.
she
Mhm.
she handled that session with love and care, and she said to me, "You are like my mother."
Oh wow, that's a wonderful compliment, and same to you. I want to tell you, like I read your message through email. You told me like you are a mother-in-law and you have also like your daughter-in-law kids.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah, ma'am.
so I thought that woman is not an ordinary girl. That woman is something extraordinary. So I
Yeah, ma'am.
decided I am going to take one session with her. Anyhow. So in this
Okay, ma'am.
morning
Thank you.
you sent me
Thank
message
you.
and I thought anyhow I will at least I will manage my 20 minutes for you only. So that is a very wonderful opportunity for me also. I'm talking to you. So first, I
Yeah.
would love to know about you briefly.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Give me this opportunity. And my name is Puspa from Lucknow district, Saranpur. I have two children, one son and one daughter, and one daughter-in-law, one son-in-law. And
Ooh.
I am newly grandmother. I have a little princess. She is 1 month old.
Oh.
And if I talk about my education, I completed my MA with the education subject.
Okay.
And I love this language since my childhood, and I didn't get any chance in my childhood
Mm-hmm.
because I I belong to village, and
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
in my primary class means up 1 to 5th, and there was no English subject, and
Mm-hmm.
I saw first time English book in 6th class. That
Hmm.
time I felt uh, not good to learn this language, but
Hmm.
when now I am old, 52 years old, that time I get a chance. I wanted to since my childhood, but I didn't get chance. Means I am not allowed to go outside to take session and
Hmm.
institute. That's why. But
Wow.
I would like to thank social media and all of
Mm-hmm.
you YouTubers. Because of you I am able to learn this language, and I am able to speak whatever I want to ask. I am able to ask, and I am able to give answer.
First of all, that was a
Thank
very
you.
wonderful verse you have given me. We are giving you options to speak with us. No. First of all, I want to tell you thank you so much to you because you are inspiring me. Age doesn't matter because sometimes I also feel no, I am this age. I don't want to mention my age, but sometimes I feel no, I have passed my age. But whenever I talk to you like people, I feel so inspired. I feel like now what I'm thinking for myself, I have a lot of time to take. Don't take it in your mind. You don't have time, you have a
Yeah.
age. So if now you are in 52 years and you have taken
And
this decision for yourself to improve your spoken English, so why we
yeah.
can't do it? So you
And
are
apart
good
from that,
inspiration for
ma'am,
us.
I am ill person. I have rare disease since 2009. But my desire, my love toward this language, I couldn't stop myself
I can
to learn
see
this
into your
language.
eyes. Really, I can see into your eyes. You have that smile and
And
you have this
I don't know,
confidence.
I feel
Wow.
happy whenever I practice this language.
Me too. Me too. Like, same thing, like as you mentioned, when you were in the sixth standard, you read first time English book. Same thing
Yeah,
with
yeah,
me. I had completed my first to fifth schooling in properly government medium. There was
yeah,
not a good sustained education, and
yeah.
when I was in my sixth standard, I read first time APPLE apple. So you can
Okay.
think what was my English stage. But anyhow, I started to learn this language last, it has been 7 months ago.
Okay.
So right now it's going very good because if you know something is your need, then of course you will give your best and
Yeah,
hard work will come. But if you are really interested, so sometime
yeah,
I feel
ma'am.
if you are interested to do something extra for your future, then you
Yeah,
will adjust your time anyhow. It
yeah,
doesn't
ma'am,
matter you are
definitely.
busy or not, you are
Yeah,
occupied or not, but anyhow
yeah,
you will adjust your timing. And that same
yeah,
thing happening with all homemakers, all job working woman man. If they are
yeah,
interested, I don't know
yeah,
about all people. Right now you are a good example for us, and I am telling you about myself. Whenever I do my house shows work, I take it like this is my daily work. Just do
yeah, ma'am.
something with that, just do something with
Uh,
that. So this morning I was using my Gemini AI and I was talking with Gemini. I was brooming, I was mopping, I was stirring the vegetables because I didn't know how to say stirring vegetables. Like I was cooking something, तो मिलाना किसे बोलते हैं? So I didn't know about stirring. So that stirring
Still.
I read first time this morning. So if you have
Okay.
desire, you have need, you
Yeah.
have passions. So it doesn't matter how much, yeah, your dream is big or not. Your
Yeah.
dream is really hard or not. So yeah, as you mentioned, you have like two son and right?
Yes.
Am I right?
Yeah, yeah,
And
yeah,
you
yeah.
have two daughter-in-laws. So are
No,
they
no,
admiring you? Okay.
no, no. One son and one daughter, and one daughter-in-law, one son-in-law.
Okay, okay. So you have one daughter and one son, right? You have two
Yeah,
child
yeah,
only. So
yeah,
recently you are a mother-in-law. So
yeah,
whenever you speak with in English with any person,
yeah.
so what happens like your daughter-in-law, is she admire you?
Yeah, whenever I record my video, I show my daughter-in-law and she check that video, and if I pronounce any word mistake,
Mm-hmm.
that she correct me and uh, tell me how to pronounce that word,
Wow,
and
it is
she proud of
wonderful.
me.
Of course, I am, and also I am a proud of
and
you.
also and
Mm-hmm.
also she created my channel herself.
Wow. So you have your own channel.
Yeah, ma'am.
Wow, this is
I
very nice to hear
recently
that.
created.
So it is really nice because if you are uploading your videos, so anyhow you
Mm.
are pushing your mind, you should speak
Yeah,
at least
yeah, ma'am.
10 minutes, at least half an hour, but every day you should speak. So
Yeah,
your channel push you every time. And when I took this challenge for myself to improve my spoken English, first, second time I was not consistent, but when I made my this YouTube channel, at that time it's been more than 2 months. I'm really
yeah,
consistent with my English.
yeah,
So I don't know
yeah,
what
ma'am.
is magic in this channel, but when you
Mm.
made your channel, so this magic happens like automatically with everyone.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, ma'am. After making channel, we bound to do something on daily basis. We have to learn something for our channel because we have to upload uh, shorts and
Mm-hmm.
short video. That's why,
Mm-hmm.
and in this way we are consistent for our channel,
Of
and
course.
it good for us because if we don't have a channel, we don't consistent, and we think sometime someday let it go. But
Hmm.
if we have channel, we are bound to something to do for
Yes.
our channel.
So I want to raise one question. Like we are talking about if we want to improve our spoken English, so YouTube channel is need. So is it really right without making channel, uh, we can't speak in English? We can't be
We
fluent?
can't, but it helps us a lot. We can't because
Mm-hmm.
without channel,
We can. We
when I
can.
didn't create my channel,
Actually,
I'm
ma'am.
able to speak.
Uh, Okay, so when you said we can't, so you should say we can. We can.
We can,
Mm-hmm.
but channel helps a lot. Channel help us a lot
Mm-hmm.
because
Actually, we are
we,
getting habitual. That's the reason.
yeah, yeah, we would be consistent because of channel.
Mm. But I have seen a lot of people, they don't have that much time to edit, to upload videos, to wait for network, and because it takes a lot of time. Right?
Yeah,
Only
ma'am.
creating videos is not enough. You have to give
Yeah,
your
ma'am.
100% for thumbnail, for editing a lot of
Yeah,
stuffs, uploading on your channel. It takes maybe some time if your network is good, so it takes half an hour. But if you
yeah,
don't have a good network, so maybe sometime it can take 2 and 3 hours. And I can't
yeah,
imagine
yeah,
sometime
ma'am.
it's take 2 3 days.
Yeah, ma'am.
Mhm. So I want to say, like, if someone is very eager to speak
Yeah,
every
ma'am.
day with new people, and
Yeah,
they
ma'am.
don't want to like purchase any courses, right? And they really
Yes.
want to speak free of cost, and they want to get take knowledge from other people, they should really create their channel, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Because
Yeah.
without paying, how we can connect with other people? No, you should purchase any tutor course, then you can talk with them.
Yes.
But if you
Yeah,
have your
ma'am.
own channels, we all ordinary peoples can talk each other, right?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, yeah, ma'am. Definitely, if we have channel, we get co-learner easily to for practice,
Hmm.
for session.
Yes. Yes. And sometime what happen, like if someone is a totally beginner, then they can join with intermediate level person, and someone is really good in English, so they can join
Yeah,
beginner, right? Because
yeah,
somewhere I feel teaching is a very good way to improve our spoken
yeah,
English.
ma'am.
Uh,
Yeah,
Still, I remember when I was in my ninth standard. At the time, my drawing was really good. So one day, my teacher told me, Yamini, if you want to increase your knowledge, then you should give it to another one. If you will not give it, then your knowledge will not increase. Same thing about one
yeah,
seed. If you want to
Yeah.
harvest seed and you want to
Yeah.
build a big tree, you should
Yeah.
give every day water. If you
Water.
will not give this tree to water, then that tree will
Yeah.
not grow up. So
Grow.
same thing with our knowledge. If we want to
Yeah,
grow
ma'am.
this knowledge, we should speak, we should correct other people. And same thing
Yeah.
is with me. Like I really admire people if they correct my English, if they correct my pronunciation. And whenever I
Yeah.
get comment, ma'am, you did mistake there. You had to put this, not that. So I really admire their feedback. And that's how my
Like me,
journey is
ma'am.
going on with feedback.
Like me, ma'am. But some people gets angry
No, yeah, it's
if
happened. Like,
someone
not angry.
correct them.
Maybe they feel someone feeling like I am superior than other people, right?
Okay.
So I don't know why people like if someone is learning something new and if they will not take their feedback. So how they will grow up? No, it
Yeah.
can't happen. If your teacher will not correct you, like no one is teacher. English is our second language. We all are learner. I have something knowledge, if you have something knowledge, and if we are taking each other, if we are giving each other, then my knowledge will spread your knowledge, and your knowledge will
Yeah.
spread my knowledge.
Yeah,
So we
ma'am.
are giving and taking, right?
Yeah.
And same thing
Ma'am,
with
if
teachers.
yeah, if someone corrects me, I feel happy because
Mhm.
if he and she correct me, I get something to learn
Yes.
and improve my knowledge. That's
Hmm.
why I don't feel bad if someone correct me.
Hmm.
And
And
ma'am,
it's still.
I want
Mhm.
to ask one thing.
Mhm.
As you know very well, beginner, if beginner want to talk any advanced learner and
Mhm.
intermediate learner, some people don't want to talk with them. What would you like to say on it?
Oh my God, it's happened. Like, I am not an advanced version speaker, I am an intermediate level. So, whenever I get emails through advanced level,
I
YouTube.
don't say, ma'am. I don't say you.
No, no, I am giving you my own example. I don't know about people. I don't want to judge
Okay.
people, what they feel. But I'm telling you about my feeling. One day I get one email through one big YouTuber, and I don't
Yeah.
want to mention his name in this channel. And
Yeah.
he sent me email and he wanted to
Yeah.
talk to me in his
Yeah.
YouTube channel. He was inviting
Yeah.
me. I felt
Okay.
nervous because my I thought my spoken English is not much better than his English. Why it's happened?
Yeah.
Because I am comparing my English. I knew
Yeah.
it. I can speak, I can hold conversation. But there was a
Yeah.
little seed of fear. That
Yeah.
was uh, like telling me, no, Yamini, if you will grab this opportunity, maybe you will feel scared in front of him. It's
Yeah.
happen when we compare our knowledge with us.
Yeah.
But you have
But
only
ma'am,
one option.
comparing,
Yes. You have only one option. If you have decided you are as a learner, you are not a teacher, you have a
yeah,
right to made mistakes. If you have
yeah, ma'am.
thought, if you have taken this decision in your mind, you are going to adopt that chance as a learner,
Yeah.
not as a teacher. You are not going
Yeah,
there for
ma'am.
teaching. So then, of course, you will get this chance to speak with any person.
Mm. And you talked, ma'am, with them.
Actually, first of all, there that time Diwali festival was going on, and I
Going
was
on.
really occupied. But still, it's pending. I will decide.
Okay. But ma'am, comparing to other self, ourself is not good. It
Hmm.
push up demotivated.
Yeah, it pushed us demotivated. Like first time when I took one session with Rajini Verma, like, okay,
Okay,
and
ma'am.
she's a very big YouTuber. She has a 2 years of
Yeah, yeah, ma'am.
knowledge, and I. Actually, I have taken 2 times session with her. So I thought if I can take
Okay.
session with her 2 times, so why I can't take session with him?
With him.
Right. So that's the reason
Yeah.
sometimes it's happen we get scared, but it is not happen with me first time. It's happened with me. It happened with me 4 to 5 times. Still,
Okay.
I am just feeling. Sometime I feel no, I have to take this decision, and sometime I feel no, I have to push myself downside.
Yeah,
But
ma'am.
it's totally up to our mindset, right? And we don't have
Yeah.
any other path. But
Yeah.
fear is somewhere in our inside.
Yeah, ma'am.
A
Yeah.
little seed of fear. So yes, so I have one question for you. As you mentioned,
Yeah.
you are doing your practice every day, okay? With
Yeah.
consistent way. You have taken a lot of sessions with YouTubers. You have a very big
Yeah.
responsibility. You are a go-getter person, and you are a very like a energetic. You have a capability
You
to
can
hold
say,
that
ma'am.
conversation. You can't get bored other people. You have a good
Yeah,
questions
ma'am.
of mindset, right?
Yeah.
So everything
Yeah,
is
ma'am.
perfect. So
Yeah,
do
ma'am.
you have any fear apart from judgment? Because judgment is very basic fear with everyone. But what do
No,
you think?
ma'am.
Okay.
No, no, ma'am. I don't have any fear about judgment because if someone is going to judge or means me, so means something I get something too good for learning.
Mm-hmm.
If
Okay.
I take session with someone, he and she judge me and tell me my mistake, and if he and she tell me my mistake and I ask her and him, uh, means solution, and if I get solution means I get something to learn from them.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so how it's been like how many times how long have you been practicing in English?
How long have you been? Ma'am, I have started this journey from scratch. First, I started grammar, uh,
Mm-hmm.
watching from YouTube video since 2022 when my daughter got married. After that, I had free time, and
Mm-hmm.
I thought, why should I spend this time to do something good, productive, that is good for me. That's
Mm-hmm.
why I started learning this language from grammars. First I learned grammar, means basic grammar, active, passive, conditional, and all
Okay,
those
so
things.
you
After,
have covered all grammar structure, tenses,
yeah, ma'am.
preposition, modals, active, passive,
Yeah, situational
okay,
sentences.
situational
And
also.
after that I sent a message, one ma'am,
Mm-hmm. Babita.
this no ma'am, this sir I followed this
Mm-hmm.
sir, and she is a student of her, that sir, and I sent her message, I want to give you rapid fire, and
Mm-hmm.
she accepted my request, and she took my rapid fire 2 times, and she suggested me, now you start speaking, you are ready for speaking. And from that time I started speaking since January
Okay.
2025, since January. And I didn't know earlier. First, I need to practice. After that, we have to take session for someone. I
Mm-hmm.
started take session without practice, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So have you started your spoken English like without any applications talking like many people I have seen many people when they started their journey first they started to speak through voice call and then they start to speak through video call. So what
Ma'am,
about your
I didn't
practice?
know about first I need to practice with application. I didn't know about those thing, and I started taking session. First take session was with Babita ma'am, and and that time I made a lot of mistake.
Yeah, actually, it's happened
And
with everyone. And actually, first time when I took sessions with grammar with Manju ma'am, maybe you know about her. She's quite
yeah, yeah,
famous. So at the
yeah,
time,
yeah.
I didn't know he does or he do. He does is right or he do is right. It's been 4 to 5
Okay,
months
okay.
ago. So you can think like what was my situation.
Mm,
And I really admire our consistency. Right. If I can progress and if I can refine my spoken English and I can see your past indefinite tenses are really strong. Whenever you were
yeah,
speaking about past indefinite, but uh, like thinking, sometimes you were speaking about present indefinite, but then you corrected by yourself. No, we have to, I speak present indefinite tense, not
yeah,
past
ma'am.
indefinite. I'm not
Yeah,
remembering your sentence like what was your 2 3 sentences you were hesitate to speak but you have corrected by yourself.
yeah,
Okay,
ma'am.
so it's happened, but your past indefinite tense is really powerful. And many people
Yeah,
get confused to use that. I woke up, I wake up. I
yeah,
went, I go. Right.
yeah.
When I
Mm.
took
And
one
ma'am,
session with Babita ma'am, you said like that. Okay. So
one
your
session.
past, yeah, you took one session. So you used I took. But
Yeah,
many people get confused. I should use took or take. But
no, ma'am. I am good at grammar because of lack practice. That's why I made mistake. Make mistake.
no, no. You are not making any mistakes. I'm just telling you your grammar portion is strong. But as
Thank you,
compare,
ma'am.
like I also speak sometime grammatical, I also make grammatical mistakes. This is genuine. If I will
Yeah,
not make mistakes, then I will not correct myself. So my grammar was really poor. I didn't know tenses, fully tenses. I
yeah,
didn't know. But
yeah,
every day I took 2 sentences related to tenses. First day present indefinite and present indefinite and present continuous tense. I read, I read every day, okay, about.
yeah,
And second day, I took one decision to to grasp 4 tenses single day. But
yeah,
tenses, if you have tenses commands, then 50 to 60% English is in your wrist.
yeah,
So
ma'am.
many people, what they do, they try to cover whole tenses in a one single day. They think
Yeah, ma'am.
if they will cover all tenses in one single day, then second day they will start to speak. So it is
Okay.
a really poor mindset, right?
Mm,
So I want to say like when I tried my tenses practice every day, I took two tenses parts, sometimes three tenses part, and that's
yeah,
how my little bit I just command on my tenses. My present perfect tense was really poor. I have done. I have eaten like third
yeah,
form. I
yeah,
was really confused with that. But anyhow, I practiced a lot, I listen a lot.
yeah,
Like, and listening, I want to say listening is a very good power. If you have a good listening power, then I
yeah,
don't
ma'am.
think you should cover your all tenses by reading
Yeah,
books.
yeah,
If you
ma'am.
have good listening power, you should listen at least one story, two story according to your comfort
Mm,
zone. and then
Yeah,
try to
ma'am.
remind in your mind. Yes.
And ma'am, I listen story daily and try to write on my word
Mm-hmm. Wow.
daily.
So you also love
It,
to
ma'am,
writing.
it helps a lot.
Mm-hmm.
And I record video 10 minutes, 5 minutes daily. If
Mm-hmm.
I don't practice to someone else's, so I record my video and
Mm-hmm.
I show that video where I made mistake. I correct
Mm-hmm.
that mistake myself.
Mm-hmm.
And ma'am, if we are able to know what whenever I did mistake and we are correct, it means we are know little bit about this language.
Yes. Like if I know a little grammar portion and
Yeah,
someone is talking to me, and if I am able to correct their tense, their
yeah,
sentence, so I
yeah,
feel a little quite proud by myself. Maybe
yeah,
my past practice is
yeah,
improving. I am
yeah,
able to rectify my next person, right?
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah,
So that was a really wonderful conversation with you. And my
yeah.
last question is, what, like, how's your practice is going on? Which type of tools and techniques you are using for your improvement?
I get up at 5 o'clock. First,
Mm-hmm.
I read one paragraph, and after that, I note down a vocab,
Mm-hmm.
and whichever vocab I note down earlier, I revise those vocab, and after that, I record my video 5 minutes, and then
Mm-hmm.
I started my household chores. And in during time, I watch conversation video only.
Okay, only
Mm.
conversational videos and
Yeah,
nothing else.
grammars video sometime, shorts
I
video.
don't like to watch grammar videos, to be honest. I don't like to watch grammar. I feel like monotonous whenever I watch grammar videos.
Okay.
I didn't touch grammar videos. And
And ma'am, and
I
when
love
people
to.
says we can learn without grammar, we can learn means
Of course,
listening others.
we like grammar is important, but only sufficient grammar, like tenses, prepositions, modals, and hypothetical
Yeah,
questions, and like it's
yeah,
enough. Apart from
yeah,
that, you should speak. You should make created
mm,
sentences by yourself.
yeah,
Think and speak, and try to listen
mm,
English content and try
mm,
to include your own thinking with that. Shadowing practice,
yeah,
ChatGPT,
ma'am.
Gemini. If you have any doubt, just ask to ChatGPT, that will correct your sentence. So that's
Yeah,
enough
ma'am.
for me actually. I don't know any other stuffs for myself. So
And
Puspaji, if
ma'am,
you have any other questions, then you can ask me.
and
Otherwise,
ma'am,
our time
tell
is
you
going.
how to practice,
Mm-hmm.
ma'am. How you are practicing every day?
Okay, so how I do my practice every day? My practice is really simple. I am not consistent with one and two tool. Every day I try to use something interesting. First I was using ChatGPT, but I thought I should use some other tools. So nowadays
Okay.
I'm using Gemini. Gemini is really wonderful talking person. If you don't want to use any other applications free of cost or paid, you you speak with Gemini. Anything,
Okay.
anything means anything. And if you want to translate some Hindi to English, like in this morning, मैं सब्जी घुमा रही थी. I
घुमा
didn't know
रही
how
हूँ.
to speak in English. घुमा रही थी. So I just
Yeah.
asked to Gemini. Gemini just translate in English. So Gemini said steering. So still I
Okay.
remember it because that was my
Yes.
active learning. Active learning improves a
Mm.
lot,
Steering. Yeah, ma'am.
right?
I
Rather than
I
passive.
listen this word in Dihati ma'am video. Steering.
Yeah. And I learned some new other vocabulary also, like my son is looking me like somewhere. So like whatever I am doing morning till the night, if I don't know what is the meaning of in English, I try to
So,
ask with Gemini, but actively, not passively. I don't pending my vocabulary. No, I will ask this vocabulary next day. I don't do like that. I forget it automatically. Okay?
and after this session, uh, means before this session, I show your video. In this video, you mentioned about Gemini. In the
Yeah,
morning, I
Gemini.
watched this video.
Yeah. And you should no need to tap and speak. No. Gemini will speak with you like me actively.
Okay. Yeah.
Right. So
Same
it is really helpful.
chat GPT, ma'am.
Yeah, same like ChatGPT, but I don't know ChatGPT voice call works in the phone because I tried, but it doesn't work. It works only in your laptop. If you want to talk live with ChatGPT, so it works maybe only in the laptop, but I don't have too much time to open my laptop and speak with laptop. So whenever I get some a little free time and sometime I do my household work, I
Yeah.
prefer to speak with Gemini, and it's not a long time. Only it's been
Yeah.
4 to 5 days. I'm talking with Gemini, so it's new tool for me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But ma'am,
So
some people say they learn while doing work whenever they do work and learn, listen
of
lot of
course,
things.
that is the reason
But
I'm telling you. Active learning. Active learning is
yeah,
more than powerful if you are learning
yeah.
passive learning. Passive learning means you are thinking to do it later. So it will not
Okay.
work.
Okay,
Active
okay.
learning, if I am watching you, and if I don't know what is calling, what means watching, and I have
Yeah.
just searched on my phone, what is the meaning of watching? This is my active learning.
Oh,
This active learning will improve my uh, conscious,
thinking
my mindset, and you can say my thinking power. It
power.
will increase, and I will
Yeah.
remember it for a long time. So I don't have
Yeah.
much time, and it's a very wonderful conversation with you, and time is going to fly. So thank you so
Yeah.
much for connecting with me,
Thank you,
and
ma'am.
have a
Thank
nice
you.
day.
It was very good session with you, ma'am. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a
Yeah,
nice
bye
day,
bye.
ma'am.
Have a nice day to you.